Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on the Toca Boca World game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Toca Boca World game on your device. And once you open it up, within the main menu you will see the play button. And from here you can also change your audio settings if you wish by tapping on the gear icon at the top right corner. When you tap on this, if you haven't already entered your date of birth, then you will be asked to do so. Go ahead and type it in. And now this will open up the Toca World settings. Now at the very beginning, you will see the music option. Go ahead and tap on the checkbox at the right side, which will now turn off the sound and music within the game. After turning this off, you can tap on the play button to start playing your game right away. And this will now turn off all sounds within the game. If you wish to turn back on the sound once again, you will need to come back into the main menu and once again tap on the checkbox to enable sound. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off music and sounds within the Toca Boca World game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.